Join us as we take the DJI Air 3S up into the sky to capture breathtaking aerial views. In this video, we explore the drone's outstanding features, including its high-resolution camera, exceptional clarity, and smooth flight performance. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a drone hobbyist, the DJI Air 3S delivers stunning visuals from above. Watch closely as we showcase how this drone captures every detail with remarkable precision. Camera quality, high-resolution sensor, for example, 1-inch CMOS if applicable, 4K 60 FPS video, crisp image clarity. 2. Flight performance, stable hovering, smooth maneuvering, and easy control. 3. Intelligent modes, focus track, quick shots, hyperlapse, or panorama modes for creative shots. 4. Obstacle avoidance, safety features for confident flying. 5. Battery life and range, long flight time and responsive control over distances. Even in low light or night conditions, the DJI Air 3S performs impressively. Its large sensor and advanced image processing reduce noise and maintain clarity, allowing you to capture city lights, evening skies, or dimly lit landscapes with smooth details and accurate colors. While nothing beats natural daylight, this drone ensures your night shots are still visually striking.